see, we're gonna take a lot of sheet metal out of this car. There's still a lot of metal coming out. There's pieces everywhere. This is a lot of stuff that was left over here in this corner. It was in between us, so it was kind of difficult to take it out, but eventually got it and pried it out. But like I said, you see, I seen that bucket that I got right there. All the sheet metal needs to go in there. Let's get it out of here. There's still some sheet metal that's stuck on there, but let's smooth this out so we can start setting this floor pan and see how it looks. Alright guys, so pretty much everything is nice and clean now. That front floor pan is ready to install. I already made space where that transmission tunnel's at. So right here, I made a little bit of a gap so we can go ahead and just slide it in. Hopefully everything sits nice and flat so we can put a line all the way across and we actually start cutting something out. Alright, let's see. Okay, that looks like it fit pretty well. Alright, so the floor pan isn't really on the way it should be completely yet. So I did go ahead and just put a quick mark all the way across the floor pan so I can cut off at least an inch. So there won't be anything in the way for this floor pan to set all the way down. So let's take a quick look underneath to see how it looks. At least we're getting a better idea what else we need to do. So as you guys can see, there's still a lot of gaps. And on the excess sheet metal that's right here that's going to be cut off is in the way a little bit, as you guys can see. So we're going to go ahead and take this floor pan off, cut off all this excess sheet metal. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this the plasma cutter because it'll be a lot faster. I think it's safe to say that I can cut at least a ½ an inch close to that line, or a ¼ inch. But just to make sure I don't overdo it, I think I'll stick to at least ½ an inch all the way across. There we go. Alright guys, so everything's pretty much cut out. So now it's actually time to set this floor pan. Hopefully there's a lot more clearance now. We could start with the Cleco clips, but if not, most likely this could be the end of the video. But at least we're gonna have the floor pans in. Hopefully there's enough clearance where I can start putting the Cleco clips, but if not, it's alright guys, because there's still a lot of things we have to do. Alright then, so with everything in position now, this should look really good with this on. Alright. So like I said guys, I knew we were going to have some fitment issues, but it's really not that bad. As you can see, we still have gaps all over the place. Right there. But when we start putting the Cleco clips, everything's going to start getting pulled down, and finally when everything's in position 100%, and I know that's what the boy's going to be, we're going to put Cleco clips everywhere. Finally do a skim coat with that 1K primer, and do a little scribe mark, and that should be the final cut so we can start butt welding this together. So alright guys, and with that, everything looks starting to look really good. It actually looks like we have a complete floor pan in this car again. Alright guys, so pretty much this is the end of today's video. I'm not going to have enough time to start the Cleco clips, but if you stay tuned to next week's video, we're going to have this pan finally all the way installed with the Cleco clips ready to weld. Alright guys, so thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys till next time, and share this video.